Hi everyone, welcome back to TrikMantra. Today I am going to show you how to check your PC or laptop real performance score and find out whether your system is made for gaming, editing or just for normal office use only. So watch the video till the end because last score is the most important one. First open your start menu and search PowerShell. Then right click and select run as administrator. Now type this command. I have already given this command in the description below so you can easily copy from it. Once you press enter, you will get bunch of numbers and scores on your screen. Don't worry, I will explain exactly what each one means. If your CPU score is around 9, that means your processor is a beast, perfect for multitasking, video editing, coding and even gaming. Basically, you can throw anything at it. Next is the 3D score. This shows your 3D graphic performance. If it's above 7, your GPU is awesome for gaming, 3D design and video rendering. In short, gamer, this is one for you. Now coming to this score, this shows how fast your storage drive is. If it's above 7 or 8, your SSD is lighting fast. You will get quick boot times, instant app launches and overall smoother performance. Next is graphics score. This checks your desktop graphics like how smoothly your system handles animation and windows. If it's more than 7 or 8, it's great for multitasking, 4K display and smooth visuals. Then comes memory score, which tells how fast your RAM is working. A score above 8 or 9 means your RAM is doing great, perfect for multitasking, editing and heavy apps. And finally, the most important is WinSPR level. This is your overall performance score ranging from 1 to 10. Higher means faster and more powerful. If your WinSPR level is between 1 to 3, it's for basic use only like browsing, office apps and watching videos. It's not for gaming or editing. If it's live between 3 to 5, it's for moderate use, like lighting games, photo editing. It runs smooth but may lag with heavy stuff. If its score is between 5 to 7, it's for advanced use, like it's perfect for full HD gaming, coding, designing and live streaming. If it's live between 7 to 9.9, it's for high-end use, means it's a pro level system, it's ideal for 3D design, 4K editing and high-end gaming. So what's your WinSPR level? Comment below and let's see whose laptop is the fastest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TrikMantra for more awesome PC tips. See you in the next video.